Welcome to our presentation on EloqDoc AI Chat Store. Today, we're going to explore how we're revolutionizing agentic infrastructure, enhancing performance, ensuring massive scale, and introducing truly disruptive economics for AI applications. Let's start by understanding the fundamental difference between traditional human chat and the new paradigm of AI chat. Human-to-human communication is typically characterized by small payload sizes, linear growth, and simple, single-stage interactions. Standard databases were, and still are, optimized for these short text bursts. However, AI chat is a completely different beast. It features massive message sizes from long prompts and multi-stage reasoning. More critically, it generates huge volumes, as AI agents interact autonomously in continuous loops. This fundamental shift requires a new approach. This brings us to the concept of exponential agentic growth. Agent-to-agent communication isn't just a trend, it's rapidly becoming the future of the internet. These autonomous systems generate workloads that exponentially exceed anything human-generated text ever could. Imagine the sheer volume of data. EloqDoc is purpose-built for this high-throughput future, providing robust and persistent storage specifically designed to handle complex, continuous agent chains and their vast data outputs. Beyond agentic interactions, AI users themselves expect a seamless experience. They switch effortlessly between mobile and desktop devices, and they expect their conversations and context to follow them. EloqDoc ensures that critical context is always available, regardless of the platform. We achieve this through robust remote storage for true cross-device persistence and rapid context loading, which is crucial for maintaining long-term memory and continuity in AI interactions. So how do we address these challenges? Let's dive into the core of our solution, the architecture, focusing on our innovative schema design and infrastructure optimization. First, we have our dialogue_metadata collection. This is where we store essential information about each AI conversation thread, providing an overview and structure to the interactions. Then, the message collection itself. This is the repository for the actual message payloads, encompassing everything from user prompts to agent responses, capturing the full depth of each interaction. This brings us to EloqDoc itself, built specifically for the AI-native application era. EloqDoc is a high-performance, MongoDB-compatible document database. This means developers can keep their existing code and leverage familiar tools, while seamlessly benefiting from cloud-native efficiency. The result? Zero code changes for you, combined with an incredible 10x total cost of ownership reduction. One of the biggest cost drivers in traditional database deployments is high availability. Standard replication often requires 3 or more compute replicas, CPU, RAM, and EBS, just to achieve HA. You end up paying for processing power on secondary nodes that you rarely, if ever, fully utilize. EloqDoc's HA strategy is fundamentally different. We use a single compute replica paired with multiple storage replicas. High availability is intelligently handled at the storage layer, which dramatically saves massive compute costs, making your operations far more efficient. Our innovative storage architecture is key to our efficiency. We use object storage for primary persistence, which is not only 3 times cheaper than EBS, but also highly scalable and incredibly reliable. We strictly limit EBS usage to small redo log storage, typically less than 10 gigabytes. This completely eliminates EBS as a significant cost driver in your infrastructure. To ensure uncompromised performance, we implement a local NVMe cache layer. This provides ultra-fast caching for our object storage, delivering high performance at an exceptionally low cost. Let's look at some other key features. First, our decoupled compute and storage architecture. This allows you to scale compute and storage separately, avoiding expensive data rebalancing. There's no need to provision extra CPU when only your data size grows. Second, we offer native distributed capabilities. This means horizontal scaling is built in, without the need for complex --Mongos, --middleware, or complicated sharding components. It's truly distributed from the ground up, simplifying your operations and enhancing scalability. When you bring all of these architectural innovations together, the result is truly groundbreaking. Over 90% total cost of ownership savings for your AI data storage. This isn't just an improvement. It's an unmatched economic advantage that fundamentally changes the cost structure of deploying and scaling AI applications. We've covered a lot of ground today, but we hope you've seen how EloqDoc is setting a new standard. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. The future of AI data persistence is here, and you can learn more at www.eloqdata.com. Thank you.